Good day and welcome back. If you're planning to visit the beautiful Bantayan Island, one of the most serene and picturesque destinations in the Philippines, traveling by bus is an affordable and convenient option. I'm here to guide you on how to make your way from Cebu City to Bantayan Island, step by step. To begin the journey, head to the North Bus Terminal in Cebu City. The terminal is located in the North Reclamation Area of Mandaue City, just a short distance from Cebu City proper. You can easily reach it by taking a taxi, a grab ride, or a jeepney. The North Bus Terminal is the main departure point for the buses heading to the northern parts of Cebu, including Bantayan Island. From my previous video, we checked in at the Bayfront Hotel, which is just across the North Bus Terminal, where you can take transportations to Bantayan. So upon checkout, we simply walk across the street to the bus terminal. Once you arrive at the North Bus Terminal, look for the buses going to Hagnaya Port in San Remedio. There are many buses with or without air conditioner that you can board to transport to the Hagnaya Port. These buses are typically marked with the signs like Hagnaya, San Remedio, or Bantayan, so make sure to double check with the conductor or the driver. However, the most recommended bus would be Ceres. That's the yellow bus. It costs 170 pesos. The buses depart every 30 to 60 minutes, and the trip usually takes about 3 to 4 hours depending on the traffic. Also, at the North Bus Terminal, you can hop on a van, which would cost 100 pesos more than the bus. The bus ride was relatively comfortable. This is Alex, though he is excited to go on an island vacation, but he is shy on camera. Along the way, you can pass through scenic coastal roads and rural areas, giving you a glimpse of the beautiful countryside of Cebu. You may also see small towns and villages where you can get a feel of local life. During the ride, keep an eye out for the signs or announcements as you will need to get off the bus at Hagnaya Port. Now that we have arrived at the Hagnaya Port. When you arrive at the Hagnaya Port, you need to disembark from the bus and head to the port terminal. Once at the gate of the port, you are to purchase 10 pesos terminal fee for the next leg of your journey, the ferry ride to Bantayan Island. You also need to buy a ticket to get to Santa Fe Bantayan. The ticket costs 150 pesos. The ferry ride usually takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ferries to Bantayan Island are quite frequent, with departures every hour or so. But it's a good idea to check the schedules in advance, especially during peak seasons or holidays. The last ferry to Santa Fe is 4:30, so make sure to arrive at the port before this time if you intend to be in Bantayan on the same day. It is advised to catch the bus before 1 p.m. so that you can catch the last ferry to Bantayan. If you leave early and the traffic is light, you can reach Hagnaya Port in 4 hours. However, since we left at mid-morning after breakfast, our trip took 5 to 6 hours. It included stopover for lunch and dropping off passengers along. As our bus boarded the ferry, we were all required to get off the bus and be on the deck during the entire sea trip. Then you are to present your ticket to the inspector. I was so glad we had to do that and enjoy the ferry ride, the sea and the breeze. It's been a long time since I boarded a local ferry. I appreciate experiencing it again. But Alex, he is terrified in riding boats, even the rowboats in Burnham Park in Baguio. We will probably be at Santa Fe by sunset, which would be welcomingly nice to see upon arrival. Upon arriving at Bantayan Island, you will disembark to Santa Fe Port, the island's main entry point. Upon docking, the bus will disembark the ferry. At the port's gate, someone will collect a 30 peso environmental fee. From there, you may get off the bus and then hop on a tricycle that will take you to where you will be staying, or any of the island's famous destinations, like Otong Cave, Bantayan Beach, or Paradise Beach. But we continued on the bus to where we needed to get off at the amazing Carl's Inn. In conclusion, traveling from Cebu City to Bantayan Island by bus and ferry is straightforward, affordable, and a scenic way to get to this tropical paradise. It is an experience that allows you to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Just remember to check the bus and ferry schedules in advance, and you'll all set for the unforgettable trip to Bantayan Island. Welcome to Bantayan!
Who you are.